بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
Hast thou not seen how thy Lord dealt with the owners of the elephant? Did he not bring their stratagem to naught, and send against them swarms of flying creatures, which pelted them with stones of baked clay, and made them like green crops devoured by cattle?